Best baby makers. As more parents seek control over their baby's nutrition, baby food makers are rising in demand. These convenient appliances let you steam, blend, and prep fresh, preservative-free meals at home with ease. This guide evaluates the best baby food makers based on functionality, ease of use, cleaning, safety, and value. Whether you're a first-time parent or prepping for baby number 3, these tools make homemade baby meals simple and stress-free. List number: Chef Handy Baby Food Maker. 5-in-1 baby food processor with steaming basket, auto cooking and grinding, touchscreen control. The Chef Handy 5-in-1 baby food maker brings professional-grade efficiency to your kitchen with minimal effort. Its multifunction design handles steaming, auto cooking, grinding, reheating, and even defrosting, all from a sleek touchscreen interface. The integrated steaming basket allows you to preserve essential nutrients while cooking, and the automatic grinding feature turns cooked foods into smooth purees suitable for babies at any stage. The touch panel is intuitive and easy to clean, while the safety lock feature ensures the unit doesn't operate unless properly secured. Perfect for homes with curious toddlers. Parents will love how fast it works and how quiet it runs. List number: GROWNSY Baby Food Maker with Steam Basket. One-step baby food processor, steamer, puree, blender, grinder, mills machine. The GROWNSY Baby Food Maker simplifies meal prep with a powerful all-in-one design that steams, blends, grinds, and mills food in just one step. Its one-touch operation allows even busy or sleep-deprived parents to quickly whip up fresh, nutritious baby meals with minimal effort. The built-in steam basket locks in vital nutrients and flavors, while the BPA-free construction ensures your baby's food stays safe and uncontaminated. This machine stands out for its large capacity, allowing you to prep several meals at once for batch storage. List number: MOMYEASY Baby Food Maker, Baby Food Steamer and Puree Blender, Food Processor, Chopper, Grinder, Steamer. Designed with functionality and safety in mind, the MOMYEASY Baby Food Maker offers impressive performance at a family-friendly price. This compact 4-in-1 device can steam, blend, chop, and reheat baby meals with ease. Its intuitive dial knob allows you to control blending texture and steam time, giving you complete customization based on your baby's age and preferences. The glass bowl and stainless steel blade ensure both durability and food safety. It's also equipped with an anti-dry burning system and auto shutoff for peace of mind. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse and wipe, or toss removable parts in the dishwasher. List number 4. Infantino Squeeze Station. Baby food maker and pouch filler. Fill 3 reusable pouches at once, for parents focused on convenience and portability. The Infantino Squeeze Station is a standout. Unlike typical baby food processors, this system is designed to fill up to 3 reusable pouches at a time, ideal for meal prep on the go. Simply prepare your puree using a blender or food processor. Load it into the squeeze station
and press down to fill each pouch quickly and cleanly.
It's perfect for families who need ready-to-eat options for daycare, travel, or outings. The station comes with 10 disposable pouches. List number 5. NutriBullet NBY 5100 Baby Complete Food Making System. From the trusted NutriBullet brand comes the NBY 5100 Baby Food Making System, designed for speed, simplicity, and long-term use. This kit includes a powerful blending base, batch bowl, small blending cups, and storage containers with a tray, making it a complete baby food prep and storage system in one box. The blend function is quick and efficient, perfect for turning cooked fruits, veggies, or meats into smooth or textured purees depending on your baby's stage. The included date dial storage cups help you track freshness, and the silicone freezer tray is ideal for prepping in advance. Its compact footprint fits neatly on countertops,